this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and click on Buy from our Phantom Wallet home screen. And here we're going to select Bitcoin. So I'm going to search for Bitcoin and I'm going to click on Bitcoin Taproot. So in here we enter the amount that we want to buy Bitcoin in, and I'm going to go with $5. And now we're going to select the payment method. So go ahead and choose the one that suits your preference the most. You can click on Stripe. You can select Apple Pay. You have a lot of options, as you can see, PayPal. Just go ahead with the one that you like the most. I'm going with Apple Pay, so I'm going to do this with Stripe, and I will be back with you when I finalize this payment. So in this screen, I will enter the amount and then I'm going to click on Continue. So as you can see, the payment has been completed and our funds are now on the way. So we can go ahead and leave this screen and then wait for the funds to arrive in our account. So this can take a couple of minutes and in some cases an hour, but this is depending on the payment method you're choosing. So in general, this is how you buy Bitcoin on the Phantom Wallet. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.